In crypto and tech, Elon Musk unveils XChat, a new X messaging system with Bitcoin-style encryption. President Trump warns that rejecting his Liberation Day tariffs could let other countries hold America hostage. CZ hints at a dark pool perpetuals DEX to tackle privacy issues like front-running. Metaplanet boosts its Bitcoin stash with a 117.3 M purchase, now holding 8,088 BTC. SharpLink Gaming plans a $1 billion Ethereum buy for its treasury. Over 2.7 B in tokens led by SUI, ZRO, and APT will unlock this June. Meta teams up with Anduril for AI-powered mixed reality headsets for the U.S. military. Digital asset investments saw 286 in inflows last week, hitting 10.9 B over 7 weeks. UK's IG Group launches retail crypto trading with 31 assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. The SEC questions Ethereum and Solana ETF legality over staking concerns. Singapore's central bank orders local crypto firms to halt overseas ops by June 30 or face hefty fines. MicroStrategy grabs 705 more Bitcoin for 75.1 NIM, while Tom Lee predicts Bitcoin could soar to 3 MRs long-term, possibly 250K by 2025. U.S. Bitcoin ETFs raked in 9 Bs over 5 weeks, while gold ETFs lost 2.8 B. BlackRock moved 4,113 Bitcoin worth 429.4 AM to Coinbase Prime. Hong Kong's Redar Logtech plans a 1.5 B Bitcoin buy to hedge volatility. Norway's Block Exchange becomes the first public company there to hold Bitcoin. James Wynn deposits $20,460 into Hyperliquid, slightly lowering his Bitcoin liquidation price. Meta shareholders reject a proposal to add Bitcoin to the balance sheet, and Strategy announces an IPO to fund more Bitcoin purchases.